Samsung is working on something big and bold, a tri-foldable phone. Yes, a phone that folds in 3 sections. It's meant to take on devices like Huawei's Mate XT and could launch later this year. The idea sounds amazing, but new leaks suggest it might not be perfect. Let's talk about charging first. One well-known tech insider says this tri-fold phone will only support 25-watt wired charging. That's the same speed Samsung has used on older phones, and honestly, it's kind of slow for 2025. Some people think the real-world speed might be even slower, even if Samsung says it's 25 watt. That's a bit disappointing for fans who want fast charging. Charging has always been something Samsung struggles with. Even their top phone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, charges at only 45 watt. That sounds okay until you look at phones from companies like Xiaomi. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra charges at 90 watt with a cable and 80 watt wirelessly. It even has 10 watt reverse wireless charging. That's way faster than what Samsung is offering. Other brands are also doing great things with battery sides. Some new phones are said to have 8,000 mAh batteries. But Samsung is more careful about making big changes like that, and there's a reason for it. The Galaxy Note 7 disaster. Remember when those phones had battery issues and even exploded? Ever since then, Samsung has been extra cautious. They want to make sure new tech is fully tested and safe before using it in their phones. Now let's talk about cameras. There's a chance this tri-fold phone won't have under-display cameras. Those are the ones hidden under the screen. They look clean, but the picture quality isn't always great. Samsung might stick with the regular punch-hole cameras instead. That might disappoint some users, but others won't mind as long as the photos are good. Another thing to watch out for, the crease. Since this phone folds in 3 places, there could be 2 visible creases. The crease might look similar to what we saw on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, not super smooth. However, the Z Fold 7 is rumored to have a less visible crease, so Samsung might be working on improvements. While Samsung is moving forward with foldables, Apple is still waiting. Apple hasn't released a foldable phone yet, and some say they won't until 2027. Their goal is to make one with no visible crease at all. If they do launch it in 2027, it could be for the iPhone's 20th anniversary. That would be huge. Looking at the bigger picture, maybe Apple's wait and see strategy makes sense. Foldables haven't become super popular yet. Sales have been lower than expected, and even Samsung has lowered its future foldable goals. That's why the new tri-fold phone will probably have a small production run. It's going to be very expensive, maybe over $2,000, and won't be easy to find everywhere. Samsung will likely launch it in South Korea first, then bring it to a few big markets like the US and parts of Europe. But don't expect it to show up in every country. It's a niche product aimed at people with big budgets who want the newest tech. In the end, this tri-fold phone sounds exciting, but it also comes with compromises. Slow charging, possible camera limits, and visible creases might hold it back from being a true wow product for most people. Still, it's a bold step forward, and with more improvements in the future, it could become something really special. For now, though, it looks like Samsung's tri-fold phone is more of an early experiment. Cool, yes, but practical and affordable for most people? Not quite yet.